Good day and welcome to the D-Marq-AnalyticS channel. For this week, we'll be looking at batch 10 of 12 of 5 stocks. This is just a suggestion for you all to consider and research, and certainly not financial advice. Let's get started. The first stock in our video today is O'Reilly Automotive Inc., ticker ORLY. In the consumer discretionary sector, O'Reilly is a leading retailer of aftermarket automotive parts in the United States and Mexico, with annual sales exceeding $16 billion. The company operates over 6,000 stores across the US and caters to both do-it-yourself customers, approximately 50% of sales, and professional markets, approximately 47% of sales. O'Reilly sets itself apart by delivering high-quality service to customers throughout the entire vehicle diagnosis and purchasing process. Additionally, the company has developed an efficient hub-and-spoke distribution network, ensuring that its local stores have a wide range of aftermarket parts available for various vehicle makes and models. Its stock has had better total returns when compared to the S&P 500 over the past decade. It has a levered free cash flow of $1.29 billion and $17.12 billion in revenue with no short-term debt. It has an Altman Z Score of 3.87 and a return on invested capital of 40%. ORLY has a wide economic moat with exemplary capital allocation. O'Reilly's investments in distribution capacity and supply chain diversification are strengthening its competitive advantage and pricing power, which is leading to ongoing gains in market share. The company's dual business model, catering to both DIY, do-it-yourself, and DIFM, do-it-for-me, customers, provides resilience and stable growth, even during uncertain economic times. Second stock in our video today is Republic Services, Inc., ticker RSG, in the environmental and facilities services industry. Republic Services is the second largest integrated provider of traditional solid waste services in the United States. The company operates approximately 208 active landfills and 248 transfer stations, serving residential, commercial, and industrial customers. Additionally, it manages substantial recycling and hazardous waste collection and disposal operations across North America. It has a levered cash flow of $1.87 billion and $16.37 billion in revenue with no short-term debt. With a wide economic moat, RSG has a dividend safety score of 80, making payouts for 21 consecutive years, with a dividend growth rate of 7.8% and a strong credit rating of A-. The third stock in our video today is EMCOR Group Inc., ticker EME, in the construction and engineering industry. EMCOR Group Inc. is a leader in specialty contracting in the United States, excelling in electrical and mechanical construction and facilities, building, and industrial services. With around 100 operating subsidiaries, they serve various sectors including technology, manufacturing, healthcare, and utilities. Their main segments include United States mechanical construction and facility services, as well as operations in the United Kingdom. EME has a levered free cash flow of $975 million, a current ratio of 1.18, $15.64 billion in revenue with no short-term debt. It has a return on invested capital of 32.91%. EMCOR has a credit rating of BBB-, paying dividends for 13 years with a very fast dividend growth rate of 16.3%. The fourth stock in our video today is another stock in the construction and engineering industry, which is Comfort Systems USA Inc., ticker FIX. Comfort Systems USA Inc. offers a wide range of mechanical contracting services, including heating, ventilation and air conditioning, HVAC, plumbing, piping and controls, construction, and various electrical components. The majority of projects are designed for commercial, industrial, and institutional buildings, focusing primarily on HVAC systems. Revenue is generally divided between installation services for new construction and maintenance services for existing buildings. The company installs and repairs products and systems across the United States. It operates in two main segments: mechanical services and electrical services, with the majority of its revenue generated by the mechanical services segment. FIX has massively outperformed the S&P 500 over the past decade and continues to do so up until this week. The fifth and final stock in our video today is Quanta Services Inc., ticker PWR, in the industrials sector. Quanta Services is a prominent provider of specialty contracting services, offering comprehensive infrastructure solutions for the electric and gas utility, communications, pipeline, and energy industries in the United States, Canada, and Australia. The company reports its results in two segments: electric infrastructure and underground utility and infrastructure. PWR has outperformed the S&P over the past decade, and also recently. It has a levered free cash flow of $948.36 million and $26 billion in revenue with no short-term debt. It has an Altman Z Score 4.32 with a credit rating of BB and a fast dividend growth rate of 11.1%. Quanta Services is benefiting from strong long-term trends such as grid modernization and electrification, which are contributing to significant revenue and earnings growth. Today we have looked at 5 solid stocks that we once held in our portfolio that we thought would be good to analyze and present to our valuable subscribers. Kindly check the description for terms and tickers used in this video. At the end of the 12 batch winning stocks videos, we plan to release a special video for you all where we will share our winning strategy that helped us outperform the S&P 500 since we've created our portfolio last year, with a total IRR on the portfolio of more than 50%. We would like to thank you all for staying till the end, and we wish you all have a successful investment journey. For more content, kindly like and subscribe.